On June 21st, across the land now called Canada, we celebrate something extraordinary.
It's an opportunity to help people understand that we're still here.
Through song, story, and ceremony, we honor the original peoples who shaped this place for millennia.
When I hear the drum, it reminds me of my heartbeat.
In spite of efforts to silence our languages, erase our identities, and separate us from our lands and water, we remain. On National Indigenous Peoples Day, the first peoples of this land are honored.